Hey y'all! So I am super excited to have all of our workshops planned out for the whole year. Just a disclaimer that the topics and the dates are subject to change, so don't be alarmed and don't be all mad because I know how y'all like to tussle. So anyway, in February, the month of February, we want to have, and these are all going to be Instagram Live workshops. I shouldn't even call them workshops, but whatever, you guys get the gist. We're going to be talking about author reader relationships, what makes authors follow particular readers, how can new and aspiring authors gain readers. In the month of March, I'm having my live in-person brunch, my Write With Me brunch. It will be held in New York City. It is going to be from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we're going to be eating, we're going to be writing, we're going to be having so much fun in the month of March, and that is on March 18th in New York City. In April, we are going to be talking about PR for authors. If you don't know what PR is, that means public relations. So I was once an aspiring author too, and for a long time I had to do my own public relations, reaching out to people, sending out emails, doing all that good stuff until I met a public relations team and they were able to help me in securing connections and things like that. So we're going to talk with a publicist and she is going to tell us what she does not do, and all the things that authors need to get started with PR. In the month of May, we're going to be talking about editing 101. What should you be looking for in an editor, how to find an editor, what types of editing are you, how much is editing, all that good stuff about editing. In the month of June, we're going to be discussing storytelling elements. I'm going to be facilitating that. I'm going to tell you guys what story elements should be included in your stories, how to include them in your stories, and all that good stuff. In the month of July, we're going to be talking about how to create dynamic characters, what dynamic characters are, what you should be including about your characters, what we don't need to know about your characters, all that good stuff. In the month of August, we're going to talk all about dialogue, how to create compelling dialogue, how to use dialogue to show your story instead of telling your story. In the month of September, we're going to be discussing how to write a memoir. A lot of people come to me and tell me they want to write their own personal stories, but they don't know how. They get stuck and then it takes forever. There's a reason why it takes forever to write a memoir, and I'm not going to get into that. We will discuss it on the live, but this is what that live is going to be about. In October, we're going to be talking about how to write an outline for that book. I don't write outlines, so I'm going to get someone to come on with me and we're going to discuss how to write outlines for books. November, we are going to do a live on our SMART goals for authors. We did a workshop on that last year. It was very successful. We have a whole workbook for that. So if you guys want to get started on SMART goals for authors, you can purchase the workbooks. The link is in my bio. And in December, we are going to talk about media kits, what goes in media kits, how to design your media kits, what are media kits for, all of that good stuff. So guys, all of these topics are going to be discussed on Instagram Live. So if you are not following me on IG, my social media handle for IG is at Consult with Sherry. I post a lot of free content. I have a Write With Me mentorship group. I am starting back with Writers Academy in March. I am super excited for all the new and inspiring authors who will get to work with me. I love helping inspiring authors. So if you are that inspiring author and you're ready to get your book started, come holla at me, DM me, and let's get started. Bye, guys.